Hi guys, so welcome to this YouTube video. Quick introduction on my plans here. So I am building my own boat using large-scale 3D printing, and I wanted to document this and share everything I'm learning on this YouTube channel about 3D printing my own boat, because it's quite new. It's a new technology, and I'm learning so much from this process, and I hope it would be very valuable to share this information with everybody out there that's interested in building boats, boat life, and of course 3D printing. So in this video series I want to talk about my journey of 3D printing my own fishing boat. So on the left you can see my first try. Luckily I already progressed a lot on making my own fishing boat. I'm right in the process of finishing a boat, making it ready so it can take its first ride on the water. But as I'm learning on building this boat, designing this boat, and really enjoying this process, I wanted to document this and share this with everybody, because I think there's so much to learn. I'm learning myself, but not just about the design process, but also about welding it, drilling it, how do you mount an engine to it, how do we ensure it's strong enough, and so on. Really enjoying the entire process and learning from the entire process, and I want to share this with you guys. So here are some quick videos of the process so far, which I want to cover in this video series. How did I design this? How did I design this internal structure? Why did I do it the way I did it right now? What would I do differently next time? So here you can see my first design, my second design, which I'm building right now, which the hull is printed and I'm finishing. Here you can see my weld gun. Really learning from how do I finish this boat. Talk about materials, how do we make hatches, console design, everything on what I am experiencing so far in the design of my own boat. Of course, wall thickness. This is a 3D printed panel of about 2 inches, so 45 millimeters in width for my transom. So it's fun to share this process and what I'm doing and how I'm processing this material and trying to build my own boat. So the intention of this video series is really going to be going over the design process, limitations of 3D printing, but also all the other experiences on what I think is informative, what I hope is informative information on how to build a boat using 2D printing and a real boat, high-end boat. Because I like fishing, I want to use the boat and not care about maintenance too much. So really trying to build a super durable high-end boat using 3D printing. Why 3D printing? I think it's the future of boat manufacturing. If you look at the boat I printed, the hull took 88 hours of automated printing, so no interference of people, which is crazy. I started to print on Friday and it was finished Monday evening, really showing what you can do with large-scale 3D printing. I have the privilege of having access to this technology at the Maritime Application Center, which is powered by Seed. So I do feel privileged that I can build my own boat using this technology. And I want to share my journey here on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe to our channel if you would like to learn on how to design and build a boat, and I'm learning along the way, so I hope you want to learn with me. I haven't figured everything out yet, and I'm also no maritime designer, so I want to take you on this journey, and feel free to let me know what would be of interest, what I should be documenting, and what you want to learn, because it should be a journey for everybody that's interested in 3D printing boats and boat building, and that people that love building boats. Stay tuned, and thank you for your attention.